Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today we are gonna make slime. So first of all, I want to show you my braids which I have made for me as I want to curl my hair. So yeah, let's continue. So for this slime, we need a glue. You can take any glue, the big containers one or anything. So this is fairy gum, and I have taken the color yellow. Plus for this thing, you need a container. Yeah. So basically this container where I've already used this, but yeah, it's gonna work. First I have to wash this up. Yes guys, so you need a container, plus you need some activator bowl where you will have this. So this is all that you need, and one you need is to stir. You can take a spoon or there's a wooden stick where you can do it. Lotion. Yes guys, now let's put a little bit lotion in it. Ooh. As if we put the lotion in it, it's gonna be soft. Okay. I prefer you can take any lotion. I'm taking Nevaeh lotion as it matches my name, Nevaeh. And people sometimes call me Nevaeh cream. Okay, it's so jiggly. Okay guys, shall I tell you something? That so I told you that I've already used this kit and that's why it's so dirty. That's why, because I've used all this slimes and the glue in it. So my father watched me this, and there are two more. No, look at this. This is turning. Let's put some more in it. Whoa, now look at this. Just looks like that I'm giving a massage to this. Look at this. This is so slippery now. Whoa. Come on, come together, stretch. Why doesn't this slime answer at all? I wish every object would be living, like my doll. I wish she could talk and all of that, so I could just play with her. But no. And if this was the glue was it could talk, so it would be squished all the time. Okay, so guys, our slime is made. It's so stretchy and it is so soft and it's too hokey also. Look at this. I really like this slime. So this was the part 1. So if you want to look at the part 2, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.